possible. This is beautiful. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's share this. All right, so welcome. Please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to smash the like button and the subscribe button. Let's get this off with. Let's get this up. Crypto 101 live. Okay. Let's move in. Woo, all right. Let's see. All right, so quickly, sorry for the whole delay. I've been trying to set up. All right, so let's just go straight into what we have for today. Crypto 101. Crypto 101. What is crypto? Right? What is crypto? That's the big question. What is crypto? I know a lot of persons, especially here in Nigeria, keep having this issue of, we see the crypto space and we know the crypto space is very lucrative, right? But what we lack is the intelligence and the strategy to pull it off. And so over time, we've seen and we've had people, you know, come into the crypto space and in a short while they leave, right? They leave and they leave because of the fact that they've made losses that they are not proud of, right? And they feel frustrated. And this is primarily due to the fact that you enter a space you know nothing about and you just barge in and expect to make a fortune out of it. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to learn. You have to learn what makes cryptocurrency works. What is cryptocurrency? What is crypto? Yes. What is crypto? You have to ask yourself, these are key questions, important questions that you should ask yourself. What is crypto? Right? When you hear the word crypto, what comes to your mind? What comes to your mind? What is a coin? What is a token? How do I earn from this space? Am I in the right space at all? First of all, let me answer the question, what is crypto? Now, when you hear the word crypto, or when you hear the term crypto, what comes to your mind? Cryptic. Crypto means hidden, or cryptic means hidden, right? And when you say something is hidden, it means someone doesn't want to let you know about this particular thing. And so it's cryptic, it's shrouded. You don't know what it is. So a lot of persons, like I said, have entered the crypto space not knowing about crypto, and they just put in their money expecting it to, make them a whole lot of fortune. And they keep repeating that mistake over time and it keeps landing them in trouble. Some persons, they get tired of the space, they quit the space and they move, right? But I'm here to give you hope, not just hope, I'm also here to teach you and guide you on how to make the most of this space. Crypto space is highly profitable across board, across the globe, across the countries, across nations. It's one of the most profitable industries and safe that I've ever seen. Yes, I've been a stocks trader, I've been a forex trader, I've dealt with the financial markets, and I'm still dealing with the financial markets. But I can tell you for certain that ever since I came across crypto, I've seen a difference between the different markets, and I've learned to appreciate this particular market called crypto. So, what is cryptocurrency? Like I said, if the word cryptic means hidden, now you might want to say cryptocurrency is a hidden currency, right? That's the natural definition you might want to give on account of the fact that crypto or cryptic means hidden or something that is not known or something that cannot be discovered in a short time. You might now want to say, okay, cryptocurrency is hidden currency, it's any hidden currency, but calm down, calm down. All right. Cryptocurrency is simply a digital asset, is a digital asset which its issuance, its verifications, its usage is not primarily determined by any government out there. So what it means is your central government, your federal government, your state government, they don't have a say in this currency called cryptocurrency, right? I said is what is a digital asset which its regulations, each issuance, its verifications is not in the hands of a centralized government. So for example, here in Nigeria, we have the Nigerian Naira, right? Naira is our primary currency for transaction. You and I, as an individual, we can't print Naira. We can't regulate Naira. We can't verify Naira. We only use Naira. So the government comes up, they tell us, hey, every Nigerian citizen, our currency is Naira. So whether you like it or not, you just have to use it. This is what you're going to use for your purchase, for your life, and everything, right? But in the crypto space, the currencies there are not under the control of a government. They are not under the control of any federal government, central government, or state government, nobody, right? So it's decentralized. That's what we call it. It's a decentralized currency, right? And then, like I said, the beautiful thing about crypto is the fact that you don't have to worry about government regulations, government verifications. For example, if the Nigerian government decides that, okay, we will stop printing naira, you and I will be affected. Really. Like here in Nigeria, it will be over for us. So if the central government say, okay, we are going to only have 10 notes of 1,000 naira, it means only 10 persons in Nigeria would have 1,000 naira each, right? If the federal government says we are going to have only 50,000 notes of 100 naira, it means probably only 50,000 persons are going to have what? 100 naira notes each. But in cryptocurrency, the government, they don't matter. It's as simple as that. In that space, it's as if the government, it's not as if they don't matter, or it's not as if they don't exist. They exist, but they don't matter. They don't decide which currency is going to, go up or which currency is going to go out. No, it's totally decentralized, meaning the regulation, the verification, the issuance is in the hands of the individuals in that space. So you and I are the ones deciding what's going to happen in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, in the cryptocurrency space, we have whales. We have people we call whales. Those are the people that, they are the big boys in the crypto space. They are the ones that hold large quantities of a particular asset or a particular crypto asset, and somehow they decide what happens, right? But it's a total different game from a central government. You can grow up to become a whale. Yes, it's totally possible. So in as much as we have whales in the crypto market, is only possible because those guys entered the crypto space on time. They bought on time. Yes, most of them, they bought on time. They were able to see the crypto market grow from zero to millions, right? So in cryptocurrency or in the cryptocurrency space, transactions are verified, right? And the records of these transactions that are verified are kept and maintained by a decentralized system that uses cryptography. I've been using cryptography, crypto this, crypto that, crypto. Don't bother, you're going to understand. Just follow me. You're going to understand. Okay, let me recap everything I've said, right? I said, first of all, the word crypto, where does it stem from? It stems from the word cryptic. And cryptic, in its natural meaning, in its natural origin, simply means hidden, right? It means it's a secret, it's not known, right? And on account of the fact that it's not known, makes it unique. It's mysterious, right? So, and I said, now, if the word crypto is synonymous to cryptic, synonymous to cryptic, you might not want to define cryptocurrency as hidden currency, but I say no. Don't go too far. No. Cryptocurrency simply means digitalized assets which issuance, its regulation, its verification is not in the hands of any central government, any federal government. So no matter the country you're joining us from, no matter the country you're in, you have access to crypto. So I can be in Nigeria and I'm using a digitalized currency that is still being used in another country. Please, if you're getting me, if you're following up, I want you to type in the comment section. Let me get to see your comments. I really want to make sure you guys, my light just went off a few minutes ago. But please, if you're following up and if you've followed me up to this point, please type in the comment section. I want to make sure you're following and I want to make sure you learn this. It's important for me that you learn this, okay? So I said cryptocurrency is digital assets that its regulation, its issuance, its verification is not in the hands of any centralized government. Therefore, cryptocurrency is decentralized. So, and I was giving an illustration. I said, I can be in Nigeria, right? You can be in Canada, you can be in UK, you can be in Kenya, you can be in Ghana, you can be in any country, and we all have access to a particular currency in the crypto space, and the currency's value is the same across the market. So for example, a currency like USDT, there's a currency pair called USDT. So let me use a currency pair like Solana. Solana as of today is around $44, right? So I can be in Nigeria and I have Solana and I'm having one Solana, which is synonymous to $44, $44, right? You can be in Canada and you have one Solana, and that your one Solana is still $44. So it means we are having access to a currency that is at the same value across different nations, unlike what we have in the normal currency system that we operate. For example, in Naira today, Naira is approximately 640 Naira to $1. So I'm in Nigeria, I have 640 Naira. Someone in the US is seeing my Naira as $1, right? So you're seeing that, you're getting the point. You're seeing that discrepancy. Is as if those that are out there are more advantaged than us. But in the crypto space, the advantage is the same across board. It only depends on how much you have in the market, how much you're using to trade in the market, how much you're holding in the market, right? So I said cryptocurrency transactions are verified and are kept. The records are kept. And these records that are kept, they are maintained, they are safeguarded, they are put to use by a decentralized system called cryptography. Cryptography, right? So if you followed me up to this point, please, I need you to type in the comment section. I want to see your comments. So I'm seeing a comment here. Thank you for that comment. Okay. So now, the next time you hear crypto, try and ask. We have several aspects of crypto. We have crypto Nazi, we have cryptography, we have crypto studio, we have different words. Like, what we are primarily concerned about is cryptocurrency. So outside cryptocurrency, we can have crypto studio, we can have crypto houses, we can have crypto cars, we can have everything crypto, right? We can have everything crypto. But what we are concerned about is what cryptocurrency. So like I said, next time when you hear crypto or when you hear the word crypto, try and ask the person, or try and ask, are you talking about cryptocurrency? Or are you talking about crypto Nazi? Or are you talking about cryptography? Right? So how did this whole crypto craze start? How did this whole crypto craze start? Before I delve into this, we'll look at a little history of crypto. But before I go into that, please smash the like button. If you are enjoying this class, if you're enjoying this session, smash the like button. And yeah, sorry, something fell off. All right, so I'm back. So if you're enjoying this session, if you're enjoying this live stream, please smash the like button. Let's continue. So let's look at a little history of cryptocurrency. How did this whole cryptocurrency craze start? Everybody, crypto. How did it start? All right, before we do that, let's take some other definitions of cryptocurrencies, right? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets and decentralized systems that allows for secure online payments. I repeat, cryptocurrencies are digital assets and decentralized systems. When you hear the word decentralized systems, what does it mean? Of that system, the control of that system is in the hands of individuals. It's in the hands of you and I. It's not in the hands of any government. So cryptocurrencies are digital assets and decentralized systems that allows for secure online payment. So I can buy something in China and you will not know that I'm the one that bought it because you can't trace it. And that's why the federal governments are scared of crypto. One of the major questions they keep asking about crypto, one of the major fears they keep having about crypto is the fact that you can use crypto to do money laundering. Yes. And that's one of the fears of every government out there. You know, money laundering is a cyber crime, is a financial crime that every system avoids, every system hates, every system does not tolerate. So that's one of the fears of central governments across the world. they keep thinking, oh, if we start adopting cryptocurrencies, we might be risking our economy to money laundering on a higher scale, right? But then, come to think of it, even with our traditional tokens, even with our traditional currency, money laundering is still going on. So it's a natural stuff that will keep happening, whether crypto is there or not. People launder money through different ways, through different forms. So this is not the first time we are seeing it, and this is not going to be the last time. So beyond that, I just feel the government should just relax, chill out a bit. This is easy. We can make this work. Already, we've started seeing some governments of some countries adopting crypto. Yes, the first country that adopted crypto as a legal means of transaction is El Salvador. Yes, and they are doing well. They've not gone down. Their economy has not crashed. Anything is there. Okay, so cryptocurrency is also a digital or virtual currency that makes for secure transaction using cryptography. Remember, I talked about cryptography, that cryptography is the decentralized system that is used to maintain records, safeguard records, right? Now, with the use of cryptography in cryptocurrency, it makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Yes. So, what it means is, since we have that system called cryptography in crypto space, it means you can't counterfeit. It's nearly impossible to counterfeit a token. We have different variations of different tokens, right? But if, for example, let me use the naira, because I'm in Nigeria, right? So let me use the naira for example. So we have the Nigerian naira, right? We've heard cases and we've seen cases where people counterfeit the naira. Yes, get fake naira notes. But in the cryptocurrency space, you won't say you have a fake Bitcoin. You can have another variation of Bitcoin that has its own value, but you won't say you have a fake Bitcoin. Like I said, it's nearly impossible. I didn't say it's impossible. There's a difference between something being impossible and something being nearly impossible. So nearly impossible means there's still a slight possibility. Okay, but it's nearly impossible. Then let's see. If you're in Nigeria and you've been through the 4 walls of the university or the college, you will understand and you will know that your lecturers in class, anytime they give you a general definition of a particular term, they have their own personal their own personal definition. So I'm going to be telling you my own personal definition of crypto, and it's very simple. Crypto is the revolution and evolution of paper money. You have it right. I said crypto is the revolution and evolution of paper money. So money is leaving paper to what? Digital tokens, to coins, right? So understand the fact that crypto is here to stay. And I'll give you reasons why I say crypto is here to stay. I've studied the market over time, studied the cycle, studied the charts. And for me, I can still boldly say that crypto is still in its early stages. Funny enough. Yes. Not minding the fact that crypto started years ago, as far back as 2009. We'll take a little dive into history, right? But know this, crypto is here to stay. And one of the burdens I have, one of the major reasons why this Cryptokademy was, organized, is to send out the knowledge on time. For me, it's as if we are even getting late. Like really, it's as if we are, because this thing started as far back as 2009. But then there's no time lost. There's no time lost. All right. So let's get a little into the history of crypto. A little history of crypto. Do not forget to, you know, do this, do this, do this. Like thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh, sorry. All right. So do not forget to, drop that smash that like button. Keep smashing it. Keep smashing that like button. Keep smashing it. Keep smashing it. And if you know you're joining us here for the first time, please just type that you're joining us for the first time. I welcome you. So let's take a little history on crypto. Now, the first cryptocurrency is not Bitcoin. A lot of persons have always tend to think that Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency. No, Bitcoin is the first successful. You're getting the point, right? Bitcoin is the first successful cryptocurrency. There has been several cryptocurrencies that has come up over time in history, but they were not successful. They were not successful. So Bitcoin was the first ever successful cryptocurrency to be launched in the year 2008, right? And it remains by far the biggest and most influential, best known cryptocurrency. Yeah, so as far back as the year 2008, Bitcoin came into the market space. It entered officially into the market 2009, but late 2008 into early 2009. And it remains by far the biggest and the most influential, best known cryptocurrency. A lot of you may have heard of market crash and market pump. You may have heard of what? Market crash and market pump. And over time, the only thing you hear is, in Nigerian language, Omona BTC, Omo BTC don't crash, Omo BTC don't pump, and stuff like that. So when people hear market crash, the first thing that enters their mind is BTC. But the cryptocurrency space is more than BTC. BTC, yes, is the most influential, the most powerful, the best known cryptocurrency. But there are other cryptocurrencies that are doing well, that are also determinant factors of what happens in the market, right? But the reason why you hear people shouting, I'm on a BTC, it is BTC, is because so far, BTC is the most influential cryptocurrency, and as such, BTC tend to exert influence, a strong influence on the market. BTC is known as the mother of all cryptocurrencies. Please smash the like button. Smash the like button. I'm not liking the number of likes I'm getting here. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. I'm seeing you guys. I'm seeing the number of persons that are here with me. So I want that same number of persons to smash the like button. Please, please. The reason why we're asking you to subscribe, smash the like button is because this is an algorithm that YouTube uses to spread the words for us, right? So the more likes we get, the more possibility we get for scaling up. All right. So I said Bitcoin. The reason why you hear market pump and market crash, and the only thing you hear is on a crypto, na Bitcoin, is because Bitcoin exerts the most powerful influence in the crypto market. As of today, BTC's dominance of the whole entire cryptocurrency space is around 41-42%. Yeah, 41-42%. Last time I checked, it was 41%. Right? It has started dropping. There was a time the influence was 70%, 80%, 100%. Right? But it's dropping. And in the cryptocurrency space, once BTC's dominance starts dropping, altcoins starts rallying. Don't bother. You don't know what's altcoin right now. Don't bother yourself. Don't bother asking me what's altcoin. We'll have that session another day. Yes, we'll still have another session another day. Okay. So let's stick to the history of Bitcoin and the preliminary of cryptocurrency. Please smash the like button. Smash the like button. I'm seeing the number of persons here. So help me smash the like button. Help me smash the like button. It is very, very important for us. It's very important for me and the Cryptokademy as well. Smash the like button. Now, like I said, Bitcoin was not the first cryptocurrency experiment. Note this. Bitcoin was not the first cryptocurrency experiment. There had been other experiments on digital money. This is not the first time digital money started reigning. There's been a whole lot of experiments on digital money that has failed. For example, your ATM card is digital. That's the idea. Your ATM cards, your bank mobile apps, those guys are digital forms of transactions, right? But then when we're talking about digital currency right now, there had been digital currencies over time in the crypto space, not necessarily the crypto space, but digital currency experiments, but they failed. Yes, they failed. Uh, but Bitcoin is the first successful, like I said. Before now, we have had electronic money such as B-Money, eCash, and a couple more, right? eCash, eCash tried. Yes, there was a time eCash thrived. eCash tried, but it wasn't successful. But Bitcoin came up on the scene, and so Bitcoin was the first to be released as an open source in 2009. Yes. So Bitcoin earned that right to be called the first decentralized currency, right? Now let's go further. Let's go further. Like I said, we've had different experiments on cryptos, digital money, electronic money, whichever one as you might want to call it. We've had experiments, but Bitcoin is the first successful one, right? But over decades, we have seen emergence of other cryptocurrencies. Yes, I think as of today, we have a total number of legal cryptocurrencies. And when I mean legal cryptocurrency, understand that the term legal is relative. In the crypto space, there are coins we call shit coins. Yes, we have shit coins, we have ETFs, we have layer 2 tokens, layer 1 tokens, and all that and all that. We have coins and we have tokens. There's a difference between a coin and a token, which we are going to look into in the next class, right? So over the decade, cryptocurrencies have emerged in the market. Other cryptocurrencies have emerged on the crypto market. Some of them are even more expensive than Bitcoin. Yes, there's a cryptocurrency that I have seen that is more expensive than Bitcoin. At some point, when Bitcoin was still yet around $20,000, $30,000, that particular cryptocurrency had done $67,000. You might want to probably read up on FYII or FYI, Yen Finance, FYI, YFI, Yen Finance, right? So, but Yen Finance then I think is a China powered cryptocurrency. Yes, is a China powered currency. So it was more expensive than Bitcoin. So, but what makes Bitcoin the most powerful is the fact that it was the first successful, and there's a natural sentiment towards it, right? People tend to believe that Bitcoin will rise more than any other cryptocurrency, right? And currently we have Ethereum in the market space. Ethereum is also another beautiful cryptocurrency out there. But hey, calm down. Before you rush to look for where you will buy, I didn't say buy. I didn't say buy, right? What I'm doing right here is totally educational. Totally educational. You are not under any compulsion to regard it as a financial advice. Yes, please. You are not under any compulsion to regard it as a financial advice. It's totally educational. So learn. Why is the history of crypto very important? Why is the history very important to us? If you're a good student of life, you will know that for you to understand the next move or the current move, you necessarily have to look at what has happened before, right? So if, for example, I can boldly tell you, I can say that the Naira will keep rising and falling. Why? Is it because there's a natural hatred towards the Naira? No, I don't hate Naira, it's my currency. If I hate it, I'll starve. I won't buy anything. But why I can tell you that Naira will keep rising and falling is because of the fact that I've looked at the history. That's history. It keeps rising and falling. It keeps rising and falling. It's a currency. It's a traditional currency. And mind you, there's no particular currency that doesn't experience that rising and falling. None. across every market, forex market, stocks market, bonds, oil, gold, commodities, everything has their high and their low, right? So in the cryptocurrency space, a lot of persons enter this space with the mindset that everything is always on all-time high, and that's bad. That's wrong. That is totally wrong. What makes it a financial currency is the fact that it has the ability to rise and fall. But the only thing you want to do is know when it's rising, know when it's falling. Like I do tell my students, those that have already started trading with me, of course, yeah, I have a trading session. Those that have started trading with me, I tell them, in the crypto space, you don't just do anything you want to do. No, you obey the principles of the market. And the principle of the market is not just peculiar to only crypto. It happens, is a general principle. For example, the best time to buy sardine in Nigeria would have been when it was 250 naira. Right now, sardine is approximately 500 to 700 naira. Right? So what would you naturally do if you see a place currently? Let's say you see a place that's let's say you go out there and you see a mall that sells sardine for 300, and you see another mall that sells sardine for 500. Which one are you going to buy? Like, you're seeing two different shops. You walk across the street, this guy is selling 500. You walk across this side, this guy is selling 300. Who are you going to buy from? Obviously, you're going to buy from the guy of 300. And if possible, you can buy from the guy of 300 and move over to the next place and sell it at 400. So you've made your profit. That's the rule of the market anywhere. Buy low and sell high. But today is not for all that. Today is not for all that. Let's round off on the history of cryptocurrency, right? So please, if you're following me, drop your comments. It's very important for me. Drop your comments. I read your comments. I see your comments, right? Please, it's very important for me that you do that. Okay. So drop your comments, smash the like button. Let's continue. All right. So who is the founder of Bitcoin? Why cryptocurrency? Let me answer that question. Why cryptocurrency? I've said it here that the fact that I can have a currency that its value is the same thing across different nations is a good advantage. First. Secondly, my central government, my federal government, I love them, but not this particular regime. They don't have a control over it. Yes. If you're in Nigeria and if you're joining me from Nigeria, you know that there's a current fight on cryptocurrency in Nigeria. For example, you don't do crypto transactions with your bank accounts or your banks. Yeah, your traditional bank. There's a ban on it by our central government. Now, that's part of the problem we are talking about. Had they had control of crypto, there will not be such a ban. If the federal government were the ones creating these cryptocurrencies, they will not ban it. Of course, they won't ban it. It's their own. But something that isn't their own, they can easily fight it. And that's why you and I need to get on board on this space. Yes. That's why you and I need to get on board on this space, because I can assure you that it will just take time. But you see, crypto, it will overtake a lot of traditional markets. Not just will it has already started. Yes, it has already started. I was looking at statistics last month, and we discovered that Nigeria's total money flow, major of it is being contributed by crypto. The same crypto that people don't use their bank account to trade. So how are these people accessing it? Yes, how are we trading crypto without our traditional banks? I will not talk about that today. Just in case we have some Let's not say it. Let's leave that. Okay. But just in case you are probably SS something to so and so, you're not gonna say, okay, I have seen the secret. This is how they are getting it. Let's go and block there. Okay, but it's a crazy space and it's a mad space, it's a sweet space as well. I don't think the government can fight it. Yeah, I don't think. They can fight it, but I don't think they will prevail. They can fight it, but I don't think they'll prevail. But here is another aspect of crypto that I want you to pay attention to. Do not enter the space if you don't have sufficient knowledge. You will lose money. You will lose fortunes. I used to tell my students, over time, the generations of students that I've had, I've always told them that in the crypto space, if you are entering the crypto space with the mindset that I'm going to make or become a billionaire in 1 minute, in 30 minutes, in 5 minutes, I said you will lose much money than you will make or before you will make. Yes. You see, it's natural to be greedy, and it's also very unnatural to be greedy. If you can master and control your greed, you will win this space. I'm a winner. By the special grace of God, I'm a winner. And I have, by God's grace, students, people that have seen and have followed me, and they are seeing the essence. They are seeing for real that this thing works. It just needs you to discipline yourself and follow the principles. Why do we look at the history of crypto? Why am I so interested in the history? I said, before you can understand what is happening currently, and for you to also better understand what will yet happen, you necessarily need to look at history. So, I know there's this quote, right, that the past is gone, the past is over, let bygone be bygone, and go and buy a gun. But the truth is, you still need history. Yes. Sometimes you cannot advance if you've not understood or if you've not learned from your past. Yes. What you necessarily need to do with history is to learn the lessons in it and use it to take advantage of your current position and also take advantage of your future positions. That's all. So till date, I still go back to look at the history of Bitcoin so that I'll still give myself a good perspective of where this market is going to. 2009, crypto entered the scene. And guess what? People bought. Some persons saw the future in it. Some persons didn't. I remember a story of a man that used, I think he used up to 1,000 Bitcoin to buy pizza. 1,000 Bitcoin. Then Bitcoin was like nothing. There was no value. And this man bought had 1,000 Bitcoin, used it to buy a pack of pizza. He was hungry. But guess what? Imagine if that person had held on to that Bitcoin between then and now. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 24,000. Let me look at the current market price so I don't give you a false figure. All right, so on the current market price, based on the current market price, Bitcoin is sitting currently at $24,407. So imagine that man keeping 1,000 Bitcoin till date. How much will it have? He would have been the richest man by far. I also have the story of another man that sold his entire property, sold his house, sold his car, used his life savings to buy Bitcoin. And that man today is one of the richest persons in the crypto space. Yes. In fact, some of you will download the man's app because he's by far the best exchange in the crypto space. The best platform we use for trading, the best platform we use for a lot of things in the crypto space. That man is called Chang Zhao, CZ in short, CZ, Chang Zhao. Sold his entire property to buy a cryptocurrency. As of then, it had no value. So if you look at the history, you will know that this guy grows over time. This guy skyrockets over time. It grows over time. It skyrockets over time. So there was a time it was worth nothing, and now is worth something. In the future, will it be worth more? Yes, it's possible. I'm not quitting the crypto space anytime soon. Those that know me and those that have gone through my system, they know that I always tell them something. That I'll keep believing in crypto until let me expatiate on this history stuff. Please, you can join. Yeah, so I'm replying to a comment in the community, right? I'm responding to a comment in the community. So please smash the like button, comment if you're following me, please, it's very important. We are rounding up. It's almost time. We are rounding up. Okay. All right. So let's keep the comments coming in. Thank you. I'm seeing Kenneth Pounds. Great info. Thank you. Let's keep the comments coming in. We are about round. Okay. Okay, still talking about the history. I said that for me, well, I tell them that I'll keep believing in the crypto space till I see its full manifestation because it's still yet to, right? And so history has taught us that in the long run, the market is profitable. 2009, as of when Bitcoin launched, I don't think there was any price. I don't think it had any value. Yeah, I don't think it had any value. It was just zero. And that's why somebody could, sell 1,000 Bitcoin in exchange for pizza, right? Then, as time kept going by, the market kept coming up. And the first all-time high BTC did was 3,000. People were like, how? Like, I don't understand. I thought this guy was doomed to fail. This is not the first time we've seen Bitcoin crash. For those of you that are, scared, about it, it's not the first time. Bitcoin has had 2 successive crash sessions. The first BTC crash happened in 2015, and then the second major crash, I'm talking about major crash now. Second major crash that happened in 2020 during the COVID era. And then the third major crash is the current one we are facing. But then, why am I not bothered about this crash? Why am I not bothered? Simple. After every crash, there's always a pump. Hallelujah. Right? After every crash, there's always a what? A pump. You know, I talked about market crash and I talked about market pump, right? For there to be a market crash, it means also being a crash. So it's a cycle. It's a cycle. Market crash, market pumps, market crash, market pumps, market pump, market crash, right? And like I said, the only thing you need to do is to know when to buy. There are 4 wins. I'm about to show you, I'm about to tell you a masterclass secret, but I will just end with one. It's 4. It's 4, but I'm going to give you one. Just one. Right? Understand this. Understand this. This is not spicing you up. No. This is pure knowledge. Learn this well. Because for those of you that are new in the crypto space, you need it. You need it. You need it. You can't trade what you don't understand. Do not. It's just like venturing into a business when you've not done your research. You will lose money. You will lose money before you start making money. And your breakthrough in making money is dependent on how well you begin to learn. So you need to learn before you start thinking of earning. It's called learn to earn. Yeah, okay, I just saw a comment now. Knowledge is power. You want to make me digress. You want to make me digress. Well, let's digress. Knowledge isn't power. Knowledge isn't power. Knowledge is just like half of what you need to get power in this crypto space. Knowledge is power is good, is a good term, but it's relative. Why do I say it's relative? Knowledge is power when you're in university. Knowledge is power when you're in secondary school. But when you face the rough waves of life, knowledge isn't going to be sufficient enough to give you power. You will need more than just knowledge. You will need more than just knowledge. For me, I have, okay, my light just went off, finally off. Okay, let me turn out the flash. I hope it doesn't. Okay, this does not do us any good. Well, I hope you can see me. Yeah, you can see me. For me, I have three sources of power. 3 sources of power. And one of them is based on my belief and based on my personality. And I'm going to show you in just a minute. So just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I need to get something up and working for our lighting, right? Keep smashing that like button. Keep smashing the like button. Keep smashing the like button. I'll be right here shortly. Let me just, work on our light, okay? All right. So we are back. We are back, okay? So where was I? What was I saying? Knowledge. Knowledge is power. I don't know who caused this problem now. I could have just continued my teaching, but someone just typed a comment that, I appreciate, but then I kind of have a modified version right? And a better one. All right. First of all, this is going to warrant me to introduce myself. My name is Chijoke Daniel. I am a Christian. So, having said that, here are my three sources and three definitions of power. God is power. Knowledge is power. Capital is power. In the crypto space, if you have knowledge and you don't have capital, that knowledge will perish with you. If you have capital and you don't have knowledge, that capital will be lost. So in this space, and I don't just think it's crypto. I think generally, whether you're trading forex, stocks, bonds, gold, oil, whichever one, you need knowledge and you need capital. So yeah, knowledge plus capital equals to power. God plus knowledge plus capital equals to extreme power. All right. So you have knowledge, you have capital, you have power. But you have God, you have knowledge, you have power, extreme power. All right. So let's go. So I hope we get to appreciate the history. I hope we get to appreciate the history of cryptocurrencies. Now, like I said, ever since the birth of Bitcoin as the mother of all cryptocurrencies, there has been the creation of many other successful cryptocurrencies. And it will continue. It will not stop here. Yeah, it will not stop here. So what makes cryptocurrency works? You might want to ask, what makes cryptocurrency works? And this is going to, lead me to our next topic, which we are not going to take today. Obviously, time is already fast spent. We've spent 57 minutes, 20 seconds right here, as approximately an hour, 3 minutes to an hour, or 2 minutes to an hour. So we're going to call the dial here. We're going to call the shots here. But please, before we do that, before we log off, if you have any question, you can start typing your question. Let me answer our questions live. Normally, what I do after or during every live session is I take questions. I answer questions before I log off, right? Is my known practice, right? So let's see those questions. Let's see those questions. If you have any question, you can type your question. I'll reply. Then I'll give my closing comments. I'll probably teach us one or two things in a very short while, and then we'll call it a day. Thank you, nonetheless. I also want to thank you guys for being patient. I know we were supposed to have this live class over 2 hours ago, but we kept trying out a lot of things, until finally we got this fixed up. Okay. So let's keep the comments flowing. Any question for me before I continue, before I proceed? Any question? All right. What makes cryptocurrency works? What makes crypto work? Now, the validity and authenticity of each cryptocurrency is provided by what we call blockchain. I repeat, the validity and authenticity of each cryptocurrency is provided by what we call blockchain. But we are not going to look into blockchain today. We'll do that in our next session. But before we end, I want you to take note of these few points. The cryptocurrency market is a vast market, is a large market. And so there are few other aspects. It's just like an industry and a firm. An industry is the super body, then you can have smaller firms in it, right? So crypto is like the industry. And then in the industry, we now have smaller firms. So in the crypto market, we have the shitcoin crypto market. This is where shitcoins are traded. We have the NFT crypto market. This is where NFTs are traded. We have metaverse crypto market. This is where metaverse happens. This is where you buy lands and all that and get into the meta space. We have farming. Yes, we have farming. It's also a side of crypto. And we have etc. and etc. Having said that, we have come to the end. We have come to the end of today's session. So thank you guys for joining me. Thank you guys for joining me. See you next time. But please, before we leave, I need you to do this. Boop, 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 boop. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. It's right there. I'm seeing it. Just press it. If you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell so that whenever I'm going live, you're going to have access to my live classes and you know ahead of time whenever I'm going live. Thank you very much, guys. See you next time. The time, the date, everything is going to be communicated. It's going to be announced in our WhatsApp and our Telegram community. And then if you need access to our Telegram channel, please just drop a comment and you will receive straight up direction from me. Yes. Please, I need you to understand that there are scammers in this space. So anybody that, drops a channel for you and you check the title of the person's name and it's not Ambassadors Hub Cryptokademy, please forget about it. And besides, we are also going to provide more secure ways of, moving you from here to our Telegram channel. Okay, here's what's going to happen. I'll be dropping the link to our Telegram community. I'll be dropping the link on the comment section and I'll be pinning it there so you can have access to our Telegram channel just in case you've not joined our Telegram channel. So we've come to the end of today's live session. My name remains Chijoke Daniel Obina, your number one crypto analyst, your number one profitable crypto investor and trader, bringing you all the current news, uptrends, downtrends, every trend that's happening in the crypto space. Right now, the market is, we are having a sweet relief rally. And this is the kind of relief rally that we've been expecting for long, right? It's the most hated relief rally. The bearish market guys, they hate us. Yes. In the crypto market space, we have two sides. We have the buyers and the sellers, right? We have the longers and the shorters, right? So right now, the people who are shorting the crypto market space, they are not our friends. They are not my friends. So right now they hate me. They want to stone me because the market is going up, right? So, and I'm loving it. Yes, we've been expecting this relief rally for a long time, but it's been holding. And then suddenly, yesterday, if a news came up in the cryptocurrency space and it triggered that rally. And we are enjoying it right now. So I just saw a comment, I just saw a question. If I do futures trading, yes, unofficially I trade futures. I am known to be a spot trader. That's what my students know me for, spot trading. But I trade futures and I'll just leave it there. I trade futures unofficially. I've not started, publicizing my futures trading, and I have a very good reason for that. But nonetheless, if you want to have access to my futures trading, just where to meet me. Just enter that private space. I could maybe give you a hint or just find your way there. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you next time. God bless you.